Welcome back, guys. Today's video is on part of mobile phone. Let's get ready and enjoy this amazing video. Okay guys, starting from this week we'll be posting more on mobile repair services video. Are you ready? Let us start with the main parts. Let us know what are the main parts of a phone. Under the main part, we have the circuit board or the motherboard. This board is divided into two parts, network section and the power section. The network section, we have the antenna switch, PFO, network IC, and under the power section we have the power IC, flash IC, logic IC, audio IC, and the CPU. Which this is the main important part of the board. Next, we have the powerhouse of the phone, which is also known as the battery. This is where electrical currents are being stored to use or to power up a phone for your daily usage. We have the screen. This is where the circuit board function and uses are displayed on. You have types of screen. You have the LCD and the LED. The LED, you have your AMOLED, OLED, and so on. We have sensors. You have sensors like your touch sensors, gyroscope, magnetometer, color sensor, temperature sensor. These are very needful for a phone. We have the cameras, which is one of the main parts of a phone. It is very useful for you taking pictures or video. You can use it in different megapixel. You can watch it in different rating like 2K, 4K, 8K, any of your choice depending on the camera specs. Now let's move to the other part, the spare part of a phone. Under the spare part we have your speakers, we have Bluetooth, we also have Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi. Then the last but not the least, we have your SIM slots where you put all your SIMs. Okay guys, these are all the parts of a phone you need to know for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Peace.